Just as a natural exception for temptation, but in this case, she cares nothing that his body can handle, and all you can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his so much. Happy birthday, Steve Garcia, unless he's not here. We got no Funhouse next. Stick the hell around. Thank you again, young lady. And we're going to be playing at Phone next Friday with Fawn and Tiptoe, two amazing acts. So, and that's also free. The question on everybody's lips. Alright, thank you. I'm Will Keeper, this is my band. Follow me. Bye.